Until recently, this man knew nothing about making bread. Now he's considered one of the best bread makers in France. What? How? Hi friends, I'm Newsman Stan. Today is Saturday, September 30th, 2023. And this is the news. You're not going to believe what's in today's newspaper. How many of you love learning something new? Maybe a new sport, a language, or a skill? Well, in today's New York Times newspaper, we learned an incredible story about this man. His name is Tharshan. He lives in Paris, France. Tharshan is a baker. He owns a bakery. Tharshan bakes a special French bread called a baguette. You know baguettes. They're those long, delicious breads you often see in bakeries. Until 10 years ago, Tharshan had never made a baguette. He knew nothing about baguettes. But after moving to France from his home in Sri Lanka in 2006, he was offered a job making baguettes. Even though he knew nothing about making baguettes, he accepted the job. And then he worked really, really hard to make the best baguettes he could. And recently, Tharshan's baguettes won the top prize in a contest for best baguette in France. His reward? Not only did he receive money, but the president of France now eats his baguettes every single day. What a special honor. And you must be wondering what Tharshan's secret is to getting so good, so fast at making baguettes. Tharshan credits his special hands and a lot of hard work. Are there lessons we can learn from Tharshan? Of course there are. It doesn't matter where you come from or what skills you have, you can become great at something if you work really, really hard. If Tharshan can do it, so can you. I know you can. Well, that's it for me for today. And remember, friends, it's a complicated world out there. But there's always some safe news in every daily newspaper. And I'm here to help you find it. And I hope you subscribe and join us. Make it a great day, and I'll see you next time.